Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss about some of the essential Flutter UI component like the app bar, bottom navigation bar, drawer, log, snack bar, and we use one more package Flutter toast for showing the snack bar. And for saving time, I have already written the complete code, and we will walk through with each and every steps, and we'll get in detail about the what is the app bar, drawer, bottom bar, and etc. So let's get started. So we have the app bar at the top of the screen, and under the scaffold I have added that app bar. Here I have used the text and action, and when you click on this icon, you will get the alert dialog. Here you can see this. So this is the alert dialog, and under the app bar at action I have added icon, and on press of icon I have opened up that dialog. So let's check the code for the dialog. So this is the function I have written for generating the dialog. Whenever you click on this info button in the app bar, the alert dialog will pop up, and this is useful for showing the message or confirming action with the user. The show dialog function display, and this is the show dialog. This is the show dialog function. Display the alert dialog, which is used to notify the user with the message and give them an action like OK button or cancel to. It's just like showing the user for giving the alert information. Suppose if you want to log out from the application, so we can uh, ask the user for the confirmation that they want to log out from the application or not. So this type of functionality we perform with the help of alert dialog. So this is simple code for alert dialogs, where I have added the alert dialog. Under the title I have written the alert and text. This is an alert message. You can see this in UI. This is an alert message, and OK button for confirming, or we can add any other button like cancel or OK for getting answers from the user like yes or no. So after that, you will check for the drawer. When you click on this menu icon at the app bar, you will get one drawer. So after the app bar, I have added a drawer which is also contained in a scaffold. So for the drawer, I have generated a list of home and profile or any other options you can add, like login, logout, or anything based on your application. So I have added home and profile. List style I have used there, and at a leading I have added an icon of home and profile, and for the title I have added home as a title and profile as a title, and on top of that I am just navigating back, like I have used navigator dot pop dot context. So when you click on this, it will back. And at a header, drawer header I have used. Under that, at text I have added drawer header. So this is a simple code for the drawer, and you can get all these code from my GitHub. I will add in my GitHub. You can check the caption below. After that, we'll check for the bottom navigation bar. You can see this home and profile. There are two tabs I'm showing here. So this is the bottom navigation bar. You can check like home and profile. This is clickable. So for that purpose, At a scaffold only, I have added a bottom navigation bar, and you can see the code look like this for generating the bottom navigation bar. And for the items, I have added two items, home and profile, and I have used icon and label for generating the bottom bar items. And on click of this, we can change the um, tabs, like when if you want to go to the home, or if you want to go to the profile section, we can change that things by tapping on this. So this is the code for the bottom navigation bar. After that, we will check for the snack bar. So at a UI, you can check when I click on this. This is the snack bar message generating. This is the snack bar message, and also I have used one Flutter toast package. I have already added at my pubspec.yml file. You can see this. This is the latest version. You can add according to whatever the latest version is there. After adding pubspec.yml, you just have to import this file into your application. And after that, so this is the code for the snack bar, and this is by default in our Flutter UI. So for generating the snack bar, you don't have to use the Flutter toast. But if you want a custom snack bar or custom things to appear in your snack bar, we can use the Flutter toast package. For that purpose, I have used Flutter toast. So this is the UI for generating the Flutter toast snack bar, and this is the common, or you can say that this is the default snack bar widget from the UI kit. So for that purpose, we have to use scaffold messenger dot of context dot show snack bar, and under that method you have to write this thing for generating the snack bar. But if we are using the Flutter tools for getting the custom toast or custom snack bar at application, we use like this way. So this is the function for Flutter toast, and this is for snack bar, and you can see the difference here. This is the snack bar message. This is the custom snack bar we are getting from Flutter UI, and this is the Flutter toast message. You can see this is the we can customize this in Flutter toast. So yes, this is the Flutter toast. This is snack bar, and we have already discussed about alert dialogues. So these are the things we have to use in alert dialog. This is for alert, and this is the bottom navigation bar. And under the body, I have written these show snack bar and toast text. You can see in code. After that, I have on top of this button, I have called show snack bar and show Flutter toast. So on top of this, we are getting two Flutter toast message, and this is a snack bar message, because I have called both function at on top of show snack bar and toast, which is written in a body at a scaffold only. So our scaffold contained of app bar, drawer, body, and bottom navigation bar. So at a scaffold, we can use app bar, drawer. At a body, we can use the row, column, and any type of animation kind of thing, images, etc., etc. At a body, and already I have already shown the bottom navigation bar UI like this. And on top of this, I have shown the snack bar and toast message using this UI. This is for alert dialog. So I'm just adding comment here, alert dialog box. Toast. So yeah, that's the full breakdown of the code, and we have covered the app bar, drawer, bottom navigation bar, alert dialog, snack bar, and Flutter toast all in one screen. and I have already written the full code for you. So no need to type everything out yourself, or you can do practice, and you can grab it directly from my GitHub repository. The link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Codecraft Manisha for more Flutter tutorial. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with my latest video. And see you in next video. Happy coding!